Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Yorker Guides channel. In this video, we will discuss why microphone is not working on a Windows 11 PC. The more common problems include misconfigured microphone settings, an problematic update, and some advanced mic settings issue. First of all, you need to check microphone settings on your PC. Type sound settings in the start menu and press enter. Now go to the input section below and check the volume level of the mic. Make sure that it is set to 100. Next, click on the microphone to open its settings, and here you must check that the general settings allow option is set for apps and windows to use this device. You can directly check for driver updates from here and run a few tests if you like, but when you click on the check for driver updates, it will redirect you to the Windows update where it will check for other updates and optional updates. So make sure to download all the updates and then close this settings menu. If your audio drivers for the input device are outdated, the mic may not work correctly. So open the device manager and then go to the sound, video and game controllers option. Right click on the audio device and then select the update driver option. Select the first option to search automatically for drivers and click on close, or you can download the website audio drivers from the manufacturer's official page. Windows also has an inbuilt audio troubleshooter that you can use to check for problems with the device and the related services. Just type troubleshoot settings on your PC and press enter. Click on the other troubleshooters option. Now click on the run button next to the audio troubleshooter. This is a new and improved troubleshooter in Windows 11 called Get Help, so it will ask you permission to run the troubleshooter. Just click on the yes button and then it will start scanning your device for any issues. It will also check if the related audio services are running or not. Just scroll down and click on this yes button. You will also hear some beeping sounds while the tests are running. If you use a third-party audio software on your Windows 11 PC, make sure to disable them and then make the microphone a default audio device on your PC. Next, you must check the advanced audio settings. Just click on the sound icon and then click on the volume mixer icon. Scroll down and click on the more volume settings. Now scroll down and click on more sound settings. Now switch to the recording tab and then click on the mic to select it. Then click on the properties option. Switch to the advanced tab where you will find some related settings for the microphone. Uncheck the exclusive mode. This will uncheck all the two settings and then click on the apply button. Then click on the OK button to finalize the changes and then close the sound window. This should make the microphone work, but if you still face issues, it might be due to a recent Windows update. So you must remove it from your PC. Make sure that the update is actually uninstallable, or you will have to do a repair install instead of the uninstalling an update. Find the most recent update and click on the uninstall button. Then click on uninstall once again to remove this app and then restart your PC. That's all for this video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to the Tech Yorker Guides channel and share this video with other Windows users. Also visit our website techyorker.com for more such helpful tech guides.